Ray, happy birthday. Wish you all the best at tuloy lang ang laban para sa pangarap.
Happy birthday, Mako! Mag-iingat kayo palagi at miss na namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Ninong Mako. Have good health and see you soon.
Hi, Mako. Happy birthday. I love you. See you soon. Ayan sila.
Pre, happy birthday! Welcome to the club. Life starts at 40. Kidding aside, sobrang solid ng team ako. Sobrang solid. Walang masamang tinapay dyan kayo ako. From our high school days up to now, you've been more than just a friend. You're a family. Our friendship is a testament to time. Strong, enduring, and never fading. Bro, I'm truly grateful to have a friend like you. Stay strong for your family. I know Carla and your 3 beautiful daughters would all agree that they are truly blessed. Wishing you good health, genuine happiness, and all the beautiful things in your heart truly deserves. Remember, bro, I'm always here. Just one call away. Keep in touch, bro.
Happy 40th birthday, dear brother. Wish ko sa'yo, sana yumaman ka ng mayaman na mayaman at sana maambunan mo ko. At ikaw nang bahala sa college ni Dudong. Ingat lagi and stay safe and healthy kayo ng mga bata at ni Carla.
Bro, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Mako.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, bro. Sana tuloy-tuloy lahat ng mga blessings. And iingat ka lagi.
Bessie John Mark, happy 42nd birthday! Miss ka na namin! Cheers! Mayday, Mayday, Mayday! Happy Mayday to you! Happy Mayday to you! Happy Mayday! Happy Mayday! Happy Mayday to you! Uwi na, bro! Cheers! Cheers!
Hey bro, happy 40th birthday. God bless, brother. See you soon. Bye.
Hi bro, good evening. How are you? Kumusta kayo dyan sa Canada? Good evening from Vietnam. I'm just dropping by to greet you. Happy 40th birthday. Ayan. Kumusta naman? I hope you are doing well. And I hope everything is fine. 40 na tayo. But still the same. Thank you for the friendship, bro. Good memories before. And then looking forward for more good memories pagbalik mo sometime pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas. I hope everything goes well. May the Lord bless you together with your family. Ingat kayo dyan sa Canada. Sana next time makalipad ako dyan para magkita-kita tayo. Okay? So keep safe. God bless. And see you later, bro. Cheers. Happy 40th birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, John Mark!
Mako, happy birthday, man. Happy 40th. More power. God bless. Stay safe. And, well, hopefully pagka bumalik kayo sa Pilipinas, I get to see you again. Alright, cheers, man.
Happy birthday, pre. Uwi ka na. Di na kami galit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mako. Isa lang wish ko sa'yo, dumami pera mo at humaba buhay mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Brother John Mark, happy birthday from the Philippines. And more birthday to come. Kumusta mo na ako kala Carla and sa mga kids. Happy New Year din. Dito ako ngayon sa Maldives, Philippines.
Ako,
happy birthday. And wish you good health, more birthdays to come. Shot tayo pagbalik mo dito ng Pinas. Happy birthday, regards sa family mo.
Pre Mako, happy 40th birthday. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng mabuting kalusugan, tagumpay sa buhay, agit pang saya kasama ang iyong pamilya at mga kaibigan. Happy 40th birthday, bro.
Happy birthday! Life begin to sporty!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Mayayain ako sa video pero para sa'yo.
Mako, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Ingat ka palagi. Lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo.
Mark, happy 40th birthday. Wishing you all the best and good health. God bless.
Hi, John Mark. Sorry for the noisy background. I'm in the airport. I'm about to go to Vietnam with my in-laws. Anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. And I hope you and Carla and the kids can come and visit Manila soon so we can have a reunion. Growing up with you and the rest of the boys in Omni, I could say those were the best years of my life. It was really fun and you're a great friend, and I hope you more success and happiness and good health.
Happy birthday, Mako! Wishing you all the best in life. God bless!
Hi Kuya Mako, happy birthday! Cheers for more good vibes and good memories. Stay cool and awesome. Enjoy your day and keep safe.
Hi John Mark, happy birthday. Miss ko na kayo in our Omni days. Hope you guys are doing well. Ingat lagi. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Ako, kamusta? Alam mo naman, medyo tayo busy. Nasa biyahe tayo ngayon. Pero kahit nasa biyahe ko, hindi ko makakalimutan. Birthday mo. At syempre, namimiss ko yung harapan natin. Meron tayong mga okasyon. Kaya pag darating ang panahon, hindi magtatagal. I-celebrate din natin ang ating mahalagang kaarawan. So, sa araw na to, enjoy ka. At kita tayo ulit. Pag-uwi mo dito, babawi tayo sa ilang taon natin na hindi paghaharap. Happy birthday ulit ako. Enjoy your day.
Bro, isang taon na naman. Tumanda ka na naman. Yan. Lagi naman tayo mag-usap eh. Lagi nasa trabaho. Pero happy birthday bro. Wish you all the best. At saka balang araw makakaahon din. Happy birthday bro. God bless.
Hey John Mark, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Ingat kayo lagi siya sa Canada. I hope you guys are okay. Sila Carla, all the kids. Pero 40 ka na pare. Gwapo pa rin natin. Happy birthday. Sorry late yung video. Kakatulog kasi ako. Anyway, happy birthday. Sorry Carla.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hope to see you soon.
Ow! Hope to see you all. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, Kuya. Good luck. I wish you more babies. Baby boy. Good luck at life. Good luck at life. Si G. Hello.
Happy birthday, Tito Mako.
I wish you great health and live a long, good life.
Yeah. Hi, here's your second favorite cousin. Wishing you a happy birthday, my dear cousin. Sana matupad na lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And I wish you happiness as always.
Happy birthday to you.
Let's party!
Kuyang Tol Mako, happy birthday. Tandaan mo, kalabaw lang tumatanda. Nagle-level up lang tayo. Happy birthday, Capital S.